Necko fire, me general. That one you feel Necko fire.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Wait. After me drop so much bomb over there. I never expect this same massacre when I go come drop. A squash and I go come drop a Rosa bomb. And me think it done this and me go Alkaline go so room. And then me see it. Hold on.
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them like?
Wagwan, you don't know anything set, you know. Yeah, man. People, you know, say, Jaja. See, J Progress start attack Necko fire, because Necko fire forward out. And I say, yo. But, you know, truly see them thing, and I say, yo, woman, we do anything for stay around, man, we have money and bag of thing. I say, rotted. How I go on? Remember, you know, people, remember where they are something there, you know. What him name? Necko fire beat the Gaza, you know. Now we coming like J Pro. You see J Progress step in, you know, and you see the fire right now. Him no want that the fire there, you know. You understand? Because, you know, he may be afraid and thing and way. So, him no want them type of smoke there. You see, because, you know, I think I Spain him there. You see it, so them can't really get to J Progress. You see it. So J Progress a beat. You see me? So look at now. You might go say something about Necko fire and a bag of thing where I go on. You see it?
Necko fire, me general. That one you feel Necko fire. Just a little small lesson Necko fire. About woman. Let me tell you something Necko fire. Necko fire. You see a real woman, and this a real woman me I tell about now, my brother. You see a real woman, we left any man rich and lonely. Necko fire, me hear you say, no woman, now left no man, we give them money and I take care of them and something man, and left all of the money and all them and they take care. Necko fire. Come on, brother. Come like, me need expect to hear that from you. Necko fire, let me tell you this. Me don't know what kind of woman you know or how much you even understand about woman then. Brother, you see real woman value happiness. Peace of mind and happiness, Necko fire. Real woman no value nothing at all over that. No money, no vanity, no friend, no nothing. So you see them the type of woman they Necko fire? Oh God, man. Believe me when me tell you, them the woman they left you rich and lonely. You could have...
Yeah, man, a real thing, man. A real thing that good woman, if them have money or whatsoever, them not gonna keep up with their foolishness. You understand? Them not gonna keep up with their foolishness. You see it? Them not gonna dead and do it because good woman not really focus on vanity. Remember say see them him Kartel found out and say yo see them not really buy things like that. Him give her money but you know too with the fang dangles and the Louis and she not really do them thing there. You understand? So she not really them type of girl there. You see me? Yeah, so and every woman I go sit down, no matter if the man have money already, and do them thing them a G. Most of the time, the woman them will stay there and ray and no business, or the woman them will just dead there for the money and the vanity. Where all of them see the rich man have a bag of woman already, them still are there because them not really care or have feelings to him really. Them only have feelings to the money. But the real woman, we have feelings for the rich man already, them not go stay. You understand? Them not gonna stay. You see it? So I just one of them thing them G. You see it? Look how much a woman stop deal with rich man. You see me? Yeah, so I don't know what Necko fire say. You see it?
Go in the sky, take down the moon and the star, can't don't come give them. You see them the type of real woman, the brother. You see as long as them not happy, them not get a feeling of belonging, and them not get a peace of mind. Necko fire, make me tell you this. You could have the world of money. Remember me tell you, you go rich and lonely. Believe when me tell you that. Sometimes I wonder what happened to the Gaza fans them. Gaza fans. You know alright? You know okay? Me know say you no scatter about the place right now, because every man a run for cover a bird season over the Gaza right now, you know. But you know okay? Me realize say every man have a different version. Why J Progress a beat Vybz Kartel so bad? Every man have a different version. But me tell you something. No distraction not a beat here. The whole of uno is a spectator right now, a big league this. Me never see Kartel League play a World Cup yet. Me never see Kartel League play a World Cup. Negos. A Kartel League you play, my friend. A World Cup time now. One Kevin. Kartel League you play, my friend. A World Cup time now. Malbre. Kartel League player. A World Cup time. 1, 2, no.
Yo, me tell you. Yo, me no know. Yo, you know say me could. Yo, people. Alkaline am an artist. Seeing? But we're there for the music. Seeing? But look at now, people. I can't see myself a forward out a video myself and like a different one man so. You understand? We can dare, you know. Seeing? We can dare speak the facts and correct the narrative. But the way how me see them money forward out, bro, a ball. Man them a ball, brother. May I tell you? When me see man them forward out and I say, yo boy, J Progress, yo, you just a call up him man name, so you just a... I say, brother, you really a play J Progress, man? You understand? You really... Yo, yo, may I tell it to right it. May I tell the people. Remember, I know. Remember, say, of J Progress I talk about, you know, people. I know about music, you know. Right? So if them the really there for the music, enough time J Progress back in a few months ago and reanimate about Alkaline music and Ray. I would touch him. Seeing? But J Progress never, him only when it comes to Alkaline, him won't go talk about him music and thing. Seeing? Now, him a touch Gaza now and I talk about the see them and the this and the that and the rest of the artists them and bugger thing. But me I tell the people, me can't where the woman them there. You understand? Where the adults are bagger man. You see me? Bagger man. Me see a roll out. And me know them not defend them woman so. The man them get emotional. You see it? Me know them not. Me say bro, if I'm here you know. That's why I tell you so no smart. If me see say J Progress I do this, me not pay no man I go do video and I forward out for. You might just dead on the internet and ray me G. But the more on the forward out, I defend a man, and more J Progress I go beat you know. The reason why J Progress I beat you know, is because you know forward out and I crash out you know. And that's why you know, if you did just lay back and not say nothing, remember Kartel not say nothing you know, and uno you know. So the more you talk, the more J Progress beat you know. See there now, back in the days, J Progress did a ray with Alkaline. Look there, you come like J Progress, I defend Alkaline now. Defend Massacre now. Why? Because when him attack certain things, we don't pay J Progress no man. But uno day in the internet a video, yo, come like a fish dog every day depend on the man name. Bro, Kartel I know no man me G. Yo, Jaja yo dog. But J Progress ya one more week. You see me? Yeah man.
Me see 100 million video with J Progress. We not see a World Cup league this. Wait till World Cup done. Which part Gaza to get any blogger or anybody even worthy? A World Cup time now, man. No easy on yourself. A big league this. Big league. If I'm me, I wanna me find someone gonna look for safety. Cause whole Gaza scatter right now. A bird season over there. Wait. After me drop so much bomb over there. I never expect this same massacre when I go come drop. A squash and I go come drop a rasa bomb. And me thinking down this and me go Alkaline goes to a room. And then me see it. Hold on. A bird sees about the Gaza, let me tell you no. Why? You really and truly never know what J Progress is capable of. Right now all Vybz Kartel and comfortable. Why? This is a reminder to the Gaza. Me don't know how to rebuild after that one, yeah. I really don't know. You know, see me here 100 man, yap. But remember, there is levels to this, you know. There is levels to this.
Bro, and that me I tell the man them in a dog. Yo, Jaja youth. If you see a bag of man a forward, brother. Not even two woman people. Not even two woman. Me nah see a father diff me man a cartel a man, you know. And the man them a different cartel. At this up J Progress to the people. I mean I say, bro. Yo, you not even know, say brother. I'm just make it easier with J Progress. You see it? Yeah, man.
Me a 100 man a yap. But remember, there is a levels to this, you know. There is a levels to this. Corner league player. Playing in them corner league. And if me feel boring on them little style, on all a Sunday, me go watch a corner league match. World Cup, a different something. Me hope you no understand that. Let me tell you something. One thing me know in a life, you know. You can't mock God. You can't take God thing for your joke. Every day when you hear this Vybz Kartel get up about God, and all these things. Vybz Kartel, who you try to fool out here? You really think you can fool Jamaica? Every day you get up with your sad story about prison, like you want people start, you know how much youth got prison, brother? You know how much innocent youth got prison? And you come out every day with your sad story and this and that, and every time you do an interview, you come with your sad story and God this and God. Brother, stop, God. Nobody is no idiot. You're not nothing to do with God. You come out every day, God is the greatest, God and time. Brother, nobody is no fool. The same Vybz Kartel go in a prison, I see Vybz Kartel come out. The only thing change about your Vybz Kartel is your physical features. Not all not change about your physical features. The same dirty, wicked, evil Vybz Kartel go in prison, and the same one come out. You can't fool Jamaica people. One thing me can tell you do Vybz Kartel. Stop use God name, brother, for clout. Vybz Kartel, stop use God name. Just forget clout, brother. Feel a little pity there. And people thinking that you change. You're fooling the Gaza fans, but you're not fooling nobody at Jamaica. Ask.
Yo. Yo, Kartel, man, good pan the PR, you freak dog. Yo, I remember when the man at the arena show them last year. And the man always end the show with the song name God is the greatest. Bro, every show the man do and end the song with that, the man act like him a cry. Me I say, bro, Jaja youth, and then when him there on scatter them and a bag of thing, the man do a fake balling. You can't say a planning planet. He might always do them something there. I mean I say, brother, 2 years now you out of prison, brother. This prison thing, like me I say, bro, you followed out of prison 2 years now, my G. This prison thing, yo, wait, this and that and this. I mean I say, yo, Jaja dog. Yo, I mean I say, yo, him say them thing there no, and him dey on the internet. When you look him a cuss out people, and I say, Jaja, yo, can't show righteous, my G. Is it?
Anybody when know Vybz Kartel different from a Gaza fans, and then we tell you, the same dirty Vybz Kartel go to prison, and the same one will come out. I try fool the crowd, but I don't know him more fully. All me can say, me never see no man mock God, and it end well for them. Vybz Kartel, me know your Gaza fans really think say, you mean what you say. Remember, you know, and on God alone you come out and say, Ray, you know. You come out and tell me you're one burner, you're this, you're that, I know your life changed, and you're not doing gun songs. You know exactly why you're not doing gun songs. Vybz Kartel, the only thing me can leave you with, my brother. Me never seen a man that use the Almighty name in vain and mock God. And it end well for them. Maybe you see this as a publicity stunt. If you go for your interview them and cry and talk about God and Ray, you are not doing anything godly. Are in support or in favor of making a change in your life and leaning to the right way. All you are doing is using God's name and make a mockery of God. Listen, me warn you, Vybz Kartel, you cannot take God's name for joke. Can't say J Progress never tell you. You know me there, I wonder. Me I say the week done today or Friday. One day maybe extend the beat into another week.
Yeah, man. More content. Is it? Yeah, man. All 2 weeks, man. The more them talk, more them this. Just add on 1 more week. If you next Friday forward, and then I stop forward on this. Just had on one more week. Yeah, man. You see me? Cause right now, boy, you make your whole Gaza man them a crash out to bombard, brother. Me can't really, me can't see no woman a forward out and at this J progress. Me can't see no. I want go on. See, I tell me say a man fans alone Kartel have or what? Where female them there? A some joke thing this, bro. Some joke thing this. Yeah, man. May I tell the people?
One day if you extend the beat to another week. Me say me a give Kartel 1 week a beat and he up the whole internet. And a lot of people who want beat him long time run out. Cause he come like them when afraid. I wonder if I got this no more woman them type of way there. On social media. Kartel, I wonder if you go send no more woman up under them mother and all them kind of style they call them whore and dirty gal and ray. Me they are thinking, you know, should I extend the beating for another week? The Gaza, them under pressure, everybody scatter right now, them turn idiot. You know me I think about it. You know me feel like if you extend it to another week. Me really feel like if you extend the beating to another week, you know. Me I think about it.
Yeah, man, I just one of them thing the people. Who did know say J Progress as a Gaza man I got there a beat Vybz Kartel people. Are the only Gaza man when me see represent Kartel in this day and age. I beat Kartel so. Yeah, man, may I tell you? Not even Necko Fire beat Kartel like how J Progress a beat Kartel right now. Cause one time Necko Fire did go start that trend then and I don't know why if him get page in or why no. Him forward out and him kinda stop. You understand? But the thing is that him must beat the fans and him not to beat Kartel. J Progress a beat Kartel. But I saw it go still. You understand? I saw it go. Everybody have them time when them get them beaten. You understand? I'm just glad said J Progress as a Gaza man I do beaten. And I know Vendetta, I don't know Crocs man I do it. You understand? Cause one of the worst thing, you know. You see when you beat your own self, it hotter. Cause you never expect it. You understand? Yeah, man. So I saw it go. When you invite Kartel forward out, tall belt, a beat belt and I said this. Apartment and arena can't sell out ticket cheap. You never know say everything that go ricochet about. See it now, J Progress there 1 week what a beat and everybody a ball, you know. Me not understand how comes the Gaza beat so much people and beat so much artists. Imagine one man a beat the whole Gaza so everybody a run out. Eh? Look how much artists Gaza beat. Eh? And a one artist I get beaten right now, Kartel and everybody. Jaja Youth and I see him Gaza man a beating the people. Jaja Youth, I saw it go still. When you just go and roll out. You see me, I saw it go. As me say, if you don't want to beat and stop, you know. Just not pay J Progress not mine. You understand? Cause boy, may I tell you the right thing. Jaja, I just one of them thing the people. You don't know one media facts. We're there for entertainment, you know. Yeah, man, we're there for entertainment, the dance hall and the music. You see me? But I just saw it go. Yeah, I one of them thing there. Big up on yourself, same way. You see it? Yeah, man, I want media facts, man. That is it.